Hello everyone, this is BSc first year class and today we are going to discuss some properties and some examples of the matrices. So example first, if A is equal to the given matrix 0, 1, 0, 0, this is a 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows, 2 columns, and B is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, then find AB and BA. Then find AB and BA. Then find AB and BA. So the AB and BA both exist because these are the two square matrix of 2 by 2, and we know that AB exists if number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. Now number of columns in A is 2 and number of rows in B is 2. So therefore AB exists. So AB is equal to first row. Now the multiplication is being done. First row, first column, multiply first row with first column and add it is. So 0 into 1 it is 0 plus 1 into 0 is 0. Now 0. Now this 0, 0, 0, 0. Now BA is what? BA. So first row with first column 0. First row with second column 1, 0, 0. So AB is equal to 0 but BA is not equal to 0, and both these matrices are non-zero. So we can write one note: AB equal to 0 does not imply A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0 matrix. That is, AB is equal to 0 does not imply that A is a null matrix and B is a null matrix. So write down one definition. If A is equal to B, AB is equal to BA, then we say that A and B commute with each other. If AB is equal to BA, then we say that A and B commute with each other. First. Second, if AB is equal to minus of BA, then we say that A and B anti-commute with each other. Anti-commute with each other. Now note second, matrix multiplication is always associative. Matrix multiplication is always associative. That is, A into B, multiplication of B and C is equal to AB into C. For all A, B, C belongs to the set of all M cross M matrices. So matrix multiplication is always associated. Now we are going to discuss what is meant by transpose of a matrix. If A is equal to A by Aij, M cross N is any matrix then transpose of A denoted by A dash or A T A transpose, where A dash is equal to Bij n cross m, where Bij is equal to Aj I for all I comma j. So for example, if A is equal to 1 I, 1 plus I, 1 minus I, 2, 3I. So this is a 2 cross 3 matrix. Then A transpose is equal to, so write the row in column 1 I, 1 plus I, and this row in a second column 1 minus I, 2, 3I. So this is a 3 cross 2 matrix. So this is a transpose of a matrix. Now let us discuss some properties of the transpose of a matrix. If A and B are any matrix and K is a scalar, if scalar or any number, K is a scalar or any number, then first property, transpose of a transpose is itself. Second property, Ka transpose is equal to K goes outside A transpose. Third property, if addition A and B are in addition, then it is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Fourth, multiplication of A and B and whose transpose is equal to it, just reverse B transpose into A transpose. Now note, if A is a square matrix and n is any natural number, if A is any square matrix and n is any natural number, then A raised to n whose transpose is equal to A transpose raised to n. So we can prove this. A raised to n is means what? A into A n times, and whose transpose is equal to A transpose into A transpose and so on, A transpose n times. So this can be written as A transpose raised to n. Now conjugate of a matrix. If A is equal to Aij, M cross n is any matrix if any matrix, then conjugate of A written as, then conjugate of A written as A bar, and it is defined as Aij bar M cross n. So just take bar, then it will be a conjugate. So for example, if A is equal to a given matrix 1 plus I, 1 minus I, 3 plus 4I, and then I, then what will be the A bar? So it is just 1 minus I, 1 plus I, 3 minus 4I and minus I. So just take conjugate of the given complex number, and if this is a real number then it will be as it is. So let us discuss some properties of a conjugate of a matrix. Properties of conjugate of matrix. So first property, conjugate of conjugate is itself. You can check this property by using example. So Ka whole bar is equal to K bar into A bar. Third, A plus B, conjugate of A plus B is equal to their separate conjugate, A conjugate plus B conjugate. Now fourth, AB conjugate is equal to, so you can separate A conjugate into B conjugate. Now fifth property, conjugate of A raised to n is equal to conjugate of n. So you can prove this. So A into A whole bar n times. So you can separate this A bar and A bar n times. So this can be written as A bar raised to n. So A raised to n bar is equal to A bar raised to n. Now let us define the transpose conjugate of a matrix. Transpose conjugate means if you have a given matrix A, then take its transpose and take its conjugate, or first take its conjugate and then transpose. So it will be a transpose conjugate. So it is denoted by A bar transpose or A transpose bar or A raised to theta or A star. So these are the four ways to denote this type. So now it is defined as if A is equal to Aij m cross n, then A theta or transpose conjugate of A is equal to Bij n cross m, where Bij is equal to Aj bar, where Bij is equal to Aj bar for all I comma j. So you can define like this. Now let us example take. So it is 1 I 2 3. Now take its conjugate first. So it will be 1 minus I 2 3, and then take its transpose, then A theta will be A bar dash is equal to 1 minus I 2 3. Now properties of conjugate of a transpose of a matrix. Conjugate transpose of a matrix. Now if A and B are two matrices and K is any number, if then first the transpose conjugate of A with itself is equal to A as it is. Now multiplication theta is equal to b theta. Just reverse it. Third property, ka theta is equal to k bar a theta. Fourth, a plus b theta is equal to a theta plus b theta. And fifth property, a raised to n theta is equal to a theta raised to n. So these are the all properties of a conjugate transpose of a matrix. So today's lecture I am going to stop over here. Thank you.